Alright, so I'm going to show you an example of how I want you to do your gift wrapping project. So what you're going to do is just start with your box. And you can use a Kleenex box if you don't have a box in it. If you want to bring a box in, that's great. Just make sure it's not gigantic, because we have this size paper to work with. So I'm going to use a Kleenex box, and I'm going to put it down here like this. Actually, I'll start off like this. And I'm going to trace around. Trace around. Let's see if I can get on that side there. Trace around. And then I'm going to bring it up like this. And I'm going to trace around this side. And then I'm going to flip it down here like this, and then I'm going to trace around. Trace around. What I'm doing is I'm making a net, or finding the surface area of this box. So let's trace around again. Last one. And then what you need to do is flip it up on end, because you can't forget the ends of the box. Flip it up on end and trace around that. There. And then this end right here. Right here. And you can make it a lot less messy than mine. But once you get these measurements, you're going to take your yardstick, or your meter stick, whatever you want to call them, and you're going to find your measurements. So I would measure this, and we're going to measure it in the nearest, or around to the nearest ½ inch. So this one right here, if we can see this, I don't know if you can see it closely, but this is 4, and it's more than a half, it's almost 5. So if you're wrapping something with paper, do you want to measure a little bit more, or do you want to measure less? So you probably don't want to measure less, right? Because you won't have enough paper. So we're gonna round up a little bit. So I'm gonna say this is 5 inches. So I'll say 5 inches. And then this side, let's move this chair. This is, oh look at that, it's 9 inches. 9 inches. So if this is 9 inches, do you think I have to measure these? And this? And this? No, they're all the same. 9 inches, 9 inches, 9 inches, 9 inches. Same with this one. And if this is 5, this would probably be 5. And so on and so forth. And then once you measure all those, you're going to find the area of this, plus the area of this, the area of this, area of this, area of this, and the area of this. Add them all together, and that's the total surface area of this box. And that's how much gift wrap you're going to need to totally wrap this box. Hope this helps. Thank you. Bye.